We just found a bull snake. He was sitting right in this area.
Oh, there's another one. Where? Oh my god. See, I knew it would be.
Right in there.
I knew it would be.
Look.
Yeah, they like to pretend that they're rattlesnakes, so sometimes they'll try to scare you off, but they're actually.
Belly?
Yeah, let's see the pattern on the belly here.
I just had to put him over my shoulder.
So pretty.
This means that today we found 4 types of snakes. We found racers,
careful, there's
garters, a couple dogs coming, so make sure
water
that you protect the
snakes,
snakes,
bull
okay?
This is pretty cool.
There you go.
Can we see his head venom? And
my
he's-
gosh,
their
I'm
heads are so
praying.
pretty.
So cool. Okay.
So big.
He just
gonna
booped
attack
my
the camera.
finger.
I have a necklace.
Just a snake necklace.
They are constrictors.
I'd like to get a.
Right, here we go. We're gonna release.
I'm released him.
We're gonna release the first one we found. There he goes.
Bye, George. Hey, I get to name him.
I like George.
And
Bye,
George slips the last bit down. I'd recommend going down. Oh, he's so nice. He's not even rattling his tail like last time. Oh, I like him.
There we go. There he goes.
Alright, guys.
So,
Apparently he's cold. His head is right here.
he loves your jacket.
Look in there.
Look at that.
His head is
I'm
right
gonna
here.
Get
Release
this
him.
guy out. He's pretty cold, so come on.
He doesn't want to come out of my arm.
Let's come out,
He's
buddy.
going. Look, he's going back in my sleeve. He's behind my neck now. Oh no, he's on the other sleeve.
Venom, can you help Frank?
No,
get him
I
out.
got it.
Oh, there he is.
I'm sorry, it's gonna be so cold, but I need you to come out. Here we go.
Okay,
There's a den here. I'm gonna put him back in because this is
so
where
this is where we
I found him.
found him. Do you want to go
That's
in or
not
just
your
there?
hole.
It's fine.
You see, he's a female. His tail is there.
It'll find its way.
He's just gonna cruise here.
The other one.
You see his patterns? It's really pretty.
I like the big one.
Anaconda, green anaconda.
What did I
Dun 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 dun.
wondering both legs?
Find a hole.
Yeah, he's going in his hole.
You were like,
Get out.
we're not gonna find anything
one from
there.
up here.
And then right when we get here,
Two minutes. And then it's gone. Goodbye. Goodbye. He went in.